How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Bitcoin update. Wow, absolutely insane pump. If you actually remember, I was talking about this falling wedge within a falling wedge back on Friday, and I posted this over on my Twitter. Please go ahead and follow me over my Twitter. All the links you need, whether it's to follow me on Twitter, find out more information about my discounts on my course and mentorship, or joining my Discord community, you need to click the links in the description and pinned comment section below. Click that link tree link. It's going to bring you over to here. Just click Twitter, and we've just hit 2,000 followers. Thank you guys so much for helping me achieve this on to 2.5k. So do go ahead and share my Twitter. It's the only one with the blue tick. Unfortunately, there are fake accounts, i.e. the fake account is the opposite way around. So just look out for that blue tick. I would always suggest going through the link tree and clicking the Twitter link over here. It's going to bring you to the real one. And the reason why I'm bringing you over here is because I want to show you that Bitcoin chart which I shared. So he's done it again. We had the falling wedge breakout over here above the 55 and the resistance, which signaled a pump towards this resistance. On the break of this, we target the top of the falling wedge at 30.5 to 31k. I've been saying this every single day since last week. And with this smaller one, we actually broke out. The target itself is around $28,100. And as we can see, today's price smashing completely through that. If you didn't manage to take this trade, even if you did see this over here or on the YouTube, but you failed to take the trade, private message me over on my Twitter and I can help you find those exact candlestick entry signals. If you don't know the chart patterns, I'll help you recognize them as well. I do have offers on my course and mentorship at the moment. If we head over to the Buy Me a Beer website, you can just click one of these links. I'm just going to click on this link and you can head over to the website. We've had one of those mentorship slots actually taken. So I did have two available, but that's what it says his name is, requested 1-to-1 mentorship full plan. So they've gone ahead and taken that slot. So if you do want to take the mentorship slot, there's one left. You don't have to take the full plan. It can just be half a plan, which is half the lessons. But yeah, we also had Kevin over here join the Discord community today. You can do so through the membership over here, or the booking section for the course, which you get 3 months totally free in my Discord community. I'm going to play a little clip at the end of this video more about my chat. And we were talking about this since last week, especially this inverse head and shoulders over here. Since Friday last week, we've seen the breakout. I in fact showed you Ethereum, I think it was yesterday. Let's go to ETH real quick. And it was very easy on ETH. Can you see that? Very, very clear. It was a few days. Well, let's check the daily time frame. Yeah, it was 2 days ago. So I showed you this ETH pattern in the Bitcoin update as well. And I was saying it's much clearer to see on Ethereum. With Ethereum breaking up, this is going to allow altcoins to rise. So we've seen the likes of BPro today. BPro is a coin that is in the Discord community. I do tend to cover it when I can over here on the channel as well. And look at this, guys. I was saying back on Friday down somewhere over here. Over here, we had a falling wedge, which target itself is over 100% move, but I would be looking at this area over here as a stumbling block. Look, we ran into some resistance exactly over there, and yes, an area of support that is now flipped into resistance over here. So that's why for BPro, wouldn't be surprised if we now pull back off of that 55 daily after hitting that. Of course, if Bitcoin does continue, let me actually just type it and find it over here. Yeah, the Bitcoin. Yeah, so I'll go to that other chart right now. So yeah, we've seen that double falling wedge. It made me extra bullish. Bitcoin falling wedge in a falling wedge, double bullish. And yeah, we of course alerted this in the Discord community at first. But yeah, if we zoom in right now, we did say there were going to be some stumbling blocks in the way, but it looks like it actually did not care. That was between the prices of 27,700 and 28,700. So this 1k area over here is what I was signaling at the end of the last week, which was previously rejected over here. You can see run into the golden pocket, continued lower. As we put in a new low, you have to go from here to here. And we can see we didn't even respect this 618. In fact, this is the first time we're tapping it today. We didn't tap it yesterday. So if Bitcoin does decide to continue, we're looking at between 29,000. Oh, it's already tapped it. 29,400 to 29,600 over here as areas of rejection. Yeah, it literally just tapped the area I said right there. You know, it was high, wasn't it? There we go. So I wouldn't be surprised now if we do start to pull back towards the 618. In actual fact, guys, if it weren't for this crazy green candle, I would think that the pump into this would get rejected, but we have a lot of momentum over here. We did have some in this candle as well, but we were given a bearish candlestick pattern. As of now, 9 hours and a half left of today's daily candle, we're yet to reject this area. So let's see if it now can hold above this. If it closes beneath the 618, so if we now unexpectedly dump down below $28,487, you could be trapped again within this golden pocket. It would still be resistant, so looking to pull back even lower. However, if we do close today's daily candle above 28,500 and 28,700, then we're trapped between this as our range support and this is our range low, expecting eventually to break above the 786 fib and finally meet our falling wedge technical target. The only stumbling block was this area over here, which, as you can see, we've pumped straight through. So this is why I'd be careful right now, and we're expecting this to continue to the 786. It would be crazy if we go to 30 to 31k today, insane. But usually, if it weren't for this big green candle, I would anticipate this area to be resistant. And usually for the closes of any time frame, when you're testing an area and going through it, you usually tend to fall back underneath it to confirm it and show to everyone that this is resistance. But that might not be the case today, simply because in this scenario here, we have a massive green candle with a lot of bullish momentum. Okay, so the expectation is eventually, anyway, that we do go ahead and meet this target. This is something that I actually said we could put in longs from down here, looking for an entry back into this area, pullback, and then continuation. The only thing was this pullback over here didn't come as deep as we anticipated. We were expecting in and around this area. I guess it technically tapped it a little bit, but I was expecting it to come down low. It didn't matter anyway, because in those video updates I was saying the expectation is eventually a break of this. So whether Bitcoin wants to wake up now and just push through, which is what it did, or pull back and then push through, the expectation anyway is that we head into the 28k area and then to the 30k area. And look, guys, it's happening exactly as predicted. Go ahead and smash a like and a comment underneath this video. This is the only way we're going to grow the channel, guys. I know it's so annoying to say it every single day, but unfortunately that's how YouTube works. There needs to be engagement, so even if it's just an emoji comment, that would be wonderful. It's much appreciated if you could share these videos. Also, it's so important, these Bitcoin updates. I don't care if you don't own Bitcoin. If you want to know what's going on with the rest of the crypto market, we need to be watching Bitcoin very closely every day. I know we had a situation where Bitcoin didn't really dump when we had the SEC lawsuit or filing suing Binance US and Coinbase. Of course, a lot of cryptos actually lost the summer lows, for example VeChain, and some of them heading to those lows. Bitcoin wasn't really affected in that sort of scenario, but usually, of course, that's not a scenario that's happening every day. That's out of ordinary, completely out of our control. So that's why we had like a black swan event for alts, but not really for Bitcoin, because as we know, Bitcoin's not a security. So literally going to now end off this video by looking at the 4-hour time frame. What is this over here? There's something over here, I don't know why. Get rid of that. So we'll look at the 4-hour time frame, zoom into this inverse head and shoulders here, just to check if we've met the technical target out of it right now. So this was given on the channel the last few days. Again, if you saw it, you heard me saying about it, but you weren't confident enough to enter the trade, take action on my course, because I've got a discount for my birthday month. Birthday is tomorrow, and this discount will last until the end of this month. As I've shown you already, we had some people taking action on the mentorship. There's one mentorship plan left. And we had some people joining the Discord community over the last day or so. So we did actually meet the inverse head and shoulders technical target. And we've pushed through completely. Usually when we meet a pattern's target, we do tend to reverse. And as we can see, price did just continue to rally. Maybe we're just coming into this 786 area and then looking for a retracement. Now that we've broken through the golden pocket over here, I would like for us to hold it. So it's this large area over here. So this should now act as somewhat of a support. On the 4-hour time frame, we see the 20 coming up very quickly. So any pullback down, that should hold as support. We've also not only formed the bullish cross which we spoke about previously. Again, back there I was expecting after a big dump like this into the 20 that we would come down to the 55, looking for a pump to the 200, then down to the 55. We just pumped through the 200. Luckily enough, I was saying in the video, you know, the expectation is anyway to eventually go up, whether we pull back a little bit more or just go up. The expectation is that we do meet 28k and 38k, tick on the 28k, waiting for that 30k, but we pumped through this area not like how I was expecting, and so that's why maybe we're just going one more push towards that 786 fib. We're hitting that area of resistance and maybe pulling back. But look over here, we're about to fall. Oh, we've just formed the golden crossover here. There's so many things to say. There's so many things that I could put as the title of this video. I have no fucking clue. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. Any pullbacks, we need to see these moving averages and golden pocket hold over here, which is the price of $27,739. I'm going to play a little clip for you guys right now about my exclusive Discord community, whether you want to join that or not. And don't forget, if you wanted to take action on the mentorship or the course, click the links in the description down below, bring you over to my link tree. You can click this link, all the memberships over here. It'll bring you to the website, memberships here. If you are a past student, so if you do want to take action on the course or the mentorship, you get 3 months free in the chat, and then it becomes £10 a month. You can leave and join at any point. It won't be £20 ever again for you guys. It'll be 10. So yeah, that's why I'd always recommend taking action on that course. It's £90 until the 1st of July. Then it will go back up to almost double. So that's it for today's update. I'm going to play that little clip right now. Hope to see more of you joining the community, but do it for free for 3 months through the course, and you're going to have that course for the rest of your life, so you can fall back onto that if you ever have a stumbling block along your path. So that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next Bitcoin update. If you're looking to take your crypto knowledge and profits to the next level, I have an exciting opportunity for you. Introducing my exclusive paid Discord group chat where I share insights and strategies that can help you maximize your gains. In this community, I provide you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed. So here's what you can expect when you do join. I share my personal investment levels. So this will help show how I strategically dollar cost average into various cryptocurrencies. You'll gain access to the exact strategies I use to build a diversified portfolio, and this will help minimize risk while maximizing gains. I reveal all my investments, keeping you up to date on the latest coins that have caught my attention.